Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by opening Audacity and setting the project rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz, because consistent sampling avoids artifacts. You record a short test line now. Position the mic about 6 to 12 inches away and speak at the level you plan to use. Make the track mono to focus clarity and watch levels so peaks do not hit 0 dB. Once you have a clean take, select a short silent section for noise profiling before moving on to effects. With noise profile applied, run noise reduction gently to avoid warbling. Fewer dB and more sensitivity preserves voice texture. Next, EQ. Apply a high-pass filter at 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble, then add a mild boost around 2 to 5 kHz to increase presence and intelligibility. Once tonal balance is set, add compression at about a 3-to-1 ratio. Adjust thresholds so peaks are tamed, but dynamics remain natural. Make sure to preview and tweak each step. To make the mix sound like radio, add a subtle short reverb or slap delay for space, keeping wet signal low so clarity stays intact. Follow with a brickwall limiter and set the ceiling to -0. 5 dB to prevent intersample clipping when converting to MP3. Once exported, test on multiple playback systems, headphones, phone, car, and adjust EQ or compression if it sounds thin or boomy. If you hear pumping or distortion, reduce reduction amounts or lower input gain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.